Since I have this big package of chicken fingers, I'm using my large baking stone. Putting the oven on to 350. Putting oil on the bottom of the pan. I'll put them into the bowl for a minute. They're still a little bit frozen. Rinse off my hands. Some pepper. Salt. And some Bolthouse carrot juice, which I should have drank when I came home yesterday after I had gone to the laundry and gotten so sunburned, because one of my favorite bus drivers told me to drink carrot juice so I don't get sunburned. Since I can't get the lid off, but I made a cut into the rim of it, I'm going to put some carrot juice all over the chicken. Probably don't have any strength because my blood pressure is all over the roof. And I'm putting mushrooms with it. And they're all coated. See, they're completely coated. And they'll just go in for 35 minutes since they're still a little bit frozen. So it's done. I'm turning off the oven. And since it's large, I need it to mix to take out. And this is what it looks like.